Good morning, everybody. We are here at the Polynesian on Wednesday morning to meet this guy, Stitch. We're going to see Stitch here at the Ohana breakfast. We're a little early for our reservation, but I got a great parking spot. Look at that. There we are, right there. We've come before and there's been no parking, but let me turn around. Look, there's tons of parking here. There's still a little construction going on over there, but last time there was a lot of construction and they were missing some spots. So this is good. We got some good parking. We're going to go in, we're going to eat, do some stuff at the Magic Kingdom. The Magic Kingdom's open until 2 a.m. tonight. So I don't think we can go all the way till 2 a.m. without a little break. So we'll probably take a break in between. But let's go meet Stitch and get some Ohana breakfast at the Polynesian. Because we are waiting for Stitch at Ohana. And in the background, hey look, it looks like the fog is starting to light up. And Danielle, do you see the castle back there? Hey look, you can see the castle. Danielle, point to the castle.
It's right there. Well, no. I can't see.
You can't see it?
Whenever you move your head, it changes.
And look, there's a boat going to the castle.
It's right there right now.
Yeah. How you feeling? Good. Here's the line all the way for Ohana.
Yeah, well, I was back there before you got up there.
My advice to go to Ohana is get here early and then wait. And be prepared to wait. Don't be hungry when you get here, because you're not going to eat for like an hour. But at least it's pretty to look at while you're waiting.
Yeah,
So,
it's nice.
I mean, even the ceiling's decorated. I do think we're getting close to Stitch, right? I can smell him. I can't believe we still haven't had Tonga toast at the Kona Cafe yet.
Yeah.
They also sell Tonga toast downstairs at Captain Cook's. We're gonna have to try to get that one time. Oh, there's Stitch. We're close. We're close to the Tambu Lounge.
Come through, call your name. He's coming.
Yeah, watching you.
Today.
Hey,
All right, come right this way, everybody.
come on, get us.
Group hug. Yeah. So Danielle, how was meeting Stitch?
That was good. I'm hungry though. We need food.
Okay, so Stitch was good, but
Come on, come on.
it's Mickey's place. If he says you have to do it, you have to do it. Yeah, he's the big guy. I got it.
I don't.
Got it.
Hold on, one more.
All right. Thank you, Mickey. Yes. That was cool. See, Allison, Mickey made you do it. Yes, we got a cool table over here. Don't you like our table?
Yeah.
and we got a cool view of outside. You see the Grand Floridian over there. You can see the castle. Let me show you. Show a view of the castle. There's the castle. Okay, and Allison is switching seats with me. Oh, hey, Pluto! Hey. Come on, Allison. All right, I got it. Thank you, Pluto. Yay! Yes. Thank you, Pluto. Have a nice day. Oh, are you gonna do the parade? Okay. Anyway, before we were interrupted by Pluto, I was trying to show our view of the castle. See the castle there? It's a great view. And the Grand Floridian over there. And now you know what we want? We want to eat now, right?
Yeah.
Let's eat. We got in right before the parade. Woo! Any other characters coming? Yeah. There's a lot of people wearing Stitch stuff here. Wait, that guy looks too old to be a kid. He snuck in the kid parade. I'm gonna do that then. Oh, there they are. There's Pluto. Hey, Pluto. Hey. Somebody gave Pluto some extra coffee today. He has been into it. Yeah. There's a very interesting tree behind you. It's kind of cool looking. Yeah. Filmed. So I'm going to film Allison instead. But Natalie has said she loves this restaurant because of, what about the chairs?
The chairs are very comfortable.
The most comfortable chairs, and
Tables have a lot of
tables, not booths. But you know, I am team
I can
booth.
see the castle.
I prefer a booth, you know.
Yeah.
But Natalie likes the table. And there's Mickey hanging out with some friends. Okay, so they brought out the juice. This juice is amazing. It's orange, pineapple, and guava. And it's delicious. And you don't like it, do you?
No.
Do you like the juice? What is wrong with you people? You didn't like the coconut bread? You didn't like the pineapple upside down cake? I'm gonna drink all those. One. I got it. Good picture. Yes.
And Nikki Bomb in the background.
Yeah. Okay, our food is here. Got the new ham with a pineapple glaze, potatoes, eggs. Allison.
Family style.
Danielle has your strawberry sauce.
Look, I'm making a little design. Okay, don't make a mess.
I was trying to record the food, but everybody keeps grabbing it before I can even get to it.
Eat.
I ate a thing of fruit. No one else ate the fruit. You didn't eat any fruit.
Oh, you know what I need is ketchup. Well, let me see if I can.
Good news, the sun is out. It looks like it's not gonna rain. Look at it, sunny skies. Castle looks beautiful. Wait times are huge. Park is packed. Ready to go, Allison? Let's go. All right, slight change of plans. The monorail was broken and we didn't want to wait. So now we're gonna take the boat. This is pretty cool here. You see the beach. We've got our little bungalows. Got the boat, contemporary. That looks like somebody like parasailing.
Yeah.
There's Space Mountain. Got the Grand Floridian over there. I think that structure is blocking the castle, but you can see the castle over there. And it's really pretty over here. Yeah. I don't, look at the sky. There's not a rain cloud around, so stay that way, please. Is it going now?
Well, there's one over there.
That's moving. The one that was parked at the station was the orange one.
Yeah.
Half hour.
Yeah, there's one.
Well, there's still people waiting, so that obviously tells you the monorail's probably down. I think the resort's down. But hey, we're in the front of the boat. I'm on a boat. Can you go up top there by the yellow flag and yell, "I'm king of the world"?
No.
Like Leo. Ready? Boat selfie.
No. I can't even see.
Blindfolded boat selfie. We're going backwards. Back. How do you feel about your first ride of the day?
Pretty calming. How do you feel?
Ah, that feels good, the breeze. This is Danielle. This is a really neat way to come to the Magic Kingdom because you get to like see a lot of stuff.
There's Astro Orbiter.
Yeah,
I like the bigger one.
I like this. The clouds look nice. Those do not look like rain clouds.
Yeah.
It's not quite as cool as going through the Contemporary on a monorail, but still pretty cool.
I like this better. It's
Yeah.
loud.
The monorail, one of the monorails is running. That looks like the Express because it's on the outside. That was loud. Getting a photo pass, but I don't see a photo pass person there. All right, it is Christmas time here at the Magic Kingdom. You like the Christmas decorations, Natalie? Yes. And if we go this way, yes. There's Castle. Yeah. Chippendale and Pluto's out.
Oh, see, there's the photo pass.
For,
This lady with the hat?
yeah, oh, and there's no line over there
Yeah,
too.
that's what I was looking for.
Yeah.
I thought that was it. I want to go do that. Or should we take the train first and do it later?
Either way, there's no line. We can just go down there and do it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see the tree and everything in some shade. Train, do our first fast pass, Peter Pan. How do you feel being in the Magic Kingdom?
But I'm also very tired.
Happy but very tired. I think that describes a lot of people here. At least we're in some shade, right? Natalie, do you like the shade?
5-minute wait still time.
Yeah. Train selfie. Cheese. There we go. I'm on a train.